PatrickStarrr, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me for the red carpet. Today's video is going to be very special because I'm an esthetician now. Not yet. But I have my brothers joining me on the red carpet. If you guys know, you know, the only brother that has attended the red carpets with me has been Peter, because Peter never misses the red carpet. But today we have my youngest brother joining us today. Paul, say hi. Hello. Are you excited for your first red carpet?
Nervous, but
yes.
we're excited.
We're gonna get him together. Peter is
already good.
So
I look so good already.
So many.
I don't need any touch-ups or anything. I'm already ready.
We're gonna get fully glam. I'm gonna show you a little bit of everything, from my nails to the body makeup to the makeup, to also helping get them prepped a little bit. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the birthday love, by the way, and also all of the well wishes to my esthetician journey in school. If you guys didn't know, I am in school now. But without further ado, let's get glam, because we have about 2 hours to get glam until the bus picks us up. And we're off to the red carpet for the premiere of Disenchanted by Disney. Can we just like revisit and acknowledge that I'm a Disney girl and we're walking a Disney red carpet? Like, this is so crazy. We had to hang this poster up. The last red carpet that I went to, I was watching the video. I was at the Eternals red carpet. Guys, my face looks so huge and different. I have lost around 45 pounds since then. In my head, I did not feel like I was losing weight. But then when I saw the footage last night, I was like, period. The weight loss is weight lossing. What does Hey It's Peter eat before the red carpet as a vegan food vlogger? What is this? Who's she? Is she? So Peter is a food vlogger, and he is eating Beyond Chicken with mayonnaise.
I'm also medium well, sriracha, and some ketchup.
Say it in one take.
They got it.
Alright guys, this is my dress. I actually wore this for a billboard shoot earlier this year, and it was inspired by Black is King Beyonce's dress. So I had one made in this color scheme of blue, pink, purples. Paula's going to wear a purple suit. Where did you get this? ASOS? Oh, in Nordstrom. Yeah. In the girls section. Show them your shoes you bought.
Come on, this is a beauty fashion channel.
And Peter is gonna wear this dusty mauve color. Paul didn't know what mauve was. He thought it was Spanish. But mauve is the color. And these are gonna be my shoes. By the way, if you guys are watching and you're wondering where I get these big ass shoes from, there's a store that RuPaul shops at in Hollywood. It's called Maya's Shoes. They have shoes up to size 16 in women's. And these are a size 12. And they're gonna match so nicely with the outfit. Guys, since I'm in esthetician school right now, I'm gonna give them a little facial, red carpet express facial. Just pretty much cleansing, nothing too crazy like any acids or lifts or anything like that. I'm gonna do pop. I'm gonna fill my makeup and then we'll get ready. All right, guys, I have my first facial today. Guys, look at my skin. I did kind of like a self facial. If you guys wanna see how I did my own facial, let me know. But look at this. This is like so official and legit. Look at Paul. How cute. Okay guys, we are doing a quick cleanse on Paul. You know, as a bigger brother that loves all things beauty, to have 2 other siblings that don't like to do skincare or don't know how, I love that I can do this for them. I used to comb their hair when I was younger and do all of this. But oh my god, you guys are seeing my cleansing techniques for the first time. Oh, and by the way, since I am in esthetician school, I did Peter's brow lamination and his lash lift, and I gave Paul a little lash lift too. I'm gonna take my little face halos. I did a pre-cleanse off camera, and then I'm just gonna cleanse him right now. We're just gonna make sure he's nice and polished. Normally I would do this on the day before, but I'm keeping it pretty clean and gentle because it's the day of. Now it's Peter's turn, and I did a quick one. If you guys want to see like a full facial routine, then let me know. I did pre-cleanse Peter just now. I'm just gonna go in with the cleanser. You can't really see the pre-cleanser because it's just oil and it just like rubs everywhere, but Peter didn't want to do this, but I made him because his little eczema flakes. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, you need extractions. Doesn't this look so legit, guys? You're all done. Time for my makeup. Okay guys, so I am literally in a rush as always. I don't know why I freaking lollygag the whole day. I'm gonna take my Norvina palette, go for a purple blue eye. Very colorful for me for a red carpet, but it matches with the dress. Peter and Paul are gonna get dressed, and hopefully you guys learn a little something today. And also comment down what you wanna learn. What aspect of red carpet makeup do you want to learn in a future video? Because I can break it down. Normally I'm just throwing everything in one video for you guys, but let me know, and I got you. Okay, so the dress is coming on. I just did my press-ons. Guys, you cannot go wrong with press-ons, especially if you have to function a normal life. Now that I'm in esthetician school, I can't be doing facial massages with these. So, I mean, and I have been enjoying like the short nail life. But for special occasions, I cannot be having short nails with an outfit like this. Love it. Fabian is killing it on the turban. We are going to do body makeup right here. I'm gonna touch up my makeup. A quick tip, if you need to set your face and do setting spray, do it before you put on your bottom mascara, because last thing you want to do is like close your eyes and spray, and then the mascara on the bottom get all over your under eye. Fashion hack and tip. Look at Fabian. Like he's decorating a Christmas tree. What is this called? Fabian used to be Atelier by hand.
You actually use it to tack on like
hems and darts.
You can. This is a great look at anything that's out of place. You can just take it and stab it in, and then it sticks. It's like the best invention ever.
Where can you get it? On Amazon?
Amazon.
I'll put Fabian's commission link to Amazon store.
Micro stitch. It does micro stitches everywhere. So like if you just want to
Fabian
like,
got my ear one time.
Oh yeah, I did. It's a little ear piercing.
R.I.P. guys. Fun fact, the last time I had this turban on, I was in my ear pierce era, and we were shooting a campaign and a commercial, right? And when we were done with the whole thing, they super glued my huge drag earrings to my turban. Underneath that was my actual earring.
My $350 gifted.
And the super glue gooped around the drag earring at the same time. So we had to call a paramedic to get the earring off, and it was infected and had to do saline washes for like weeks. And so when I put this turban on back, the earring back that was stuck to my ear was still stuck on here, and we just ripped it off. So it triggered memories for me. But I mean, hey. You know what's also really fun? I had to get this dress altered. How many inches did we take off? Like 5 inches off the whole thing, and it was like falling off. All right guys, key to body makeup is actually the foundation, but also setting it. Because I can't reach, Jose is using the Until Dawn waterproof setting spray. I'm gonna lean on Idina Menzel and Amy Adams, and they won't feel a thing. Let's go to the carpet. All right, everyone, this is the finished look. I am so happy with how everything came out. If you guys want to see Disenchanted, check it out right now on Disney Plus. So honored to have attended the red carpet. The movie is spectacular. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.